All right, so look at this. See where this line is right here?
Mm-hmm.
So this was where we were with the soap scum
Mm-hmm.
before I started like doing this bottom of the tub. And this was even worse down here. But see how white that is now?
Mm-hmm.
So what did I use to do that? Barkeeper's Friend, it's called.
Barkeeper's
It
Friend.
says it's good on kitchen stuff. It actually says somewhere on here porcelain, copper, aluminum, fiberglass. This is a fiberglass tub,
Yeah.
obviously.
It's
But
good
it's
on
supposed to be-
pots and pans too.
Yeah, it's supposed to be good on porcelain. This is the kind of thing. So you just shake it out. You can actually get it a little bit wet and scrub. See how that came off so easily? It requires a little bit of effort. It's not bad. See that?
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty fast.
You don't even have to add water. A little water.
A little bit of water, but you don't want it to be a paste. You know what I mean? You want it to have a little bit of abrasion, but it's not like super abrasive, like Comet Cleanser or something like that.
Yeah.
That would leave scratches, and then the scratches would get filled back up with dirt and stuff. So you don't want to do that. So anyway, that's what I use to clean the tub.
That's cool.
It's also good for like your toilet. So like if you have like, you know, if people in your house don't flush the toilet and you get that like yellow stain in there on the bottom, right, of the porcelain, you can flush the toilet. Put it in there. Use the toilet brush to scrub it. It comes right off because it.
Okay.
Yeah, it like. I can't remember the name of the chemical this is, but it's like. It's like a kind of acid.
Really cool.
All right.
All right.
Thanks. If you want to, what do you want to see on the next video? You want to see my toilet next instead of the bathtub? No, I'm just kidding. But like, let us know what you want to see next, and we'll make a video for you.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Broccoli
Broccoli first.